Hello, everyone. Welcome to Best Speaker Hub. Best Speaker Hub. I'm Himani Agarwal and the founder for Best Speaker Hub. Best Speaker Hub is a platform where you will get speakers, various kind of speakers for your webinars and for your seminars. We have Bollywood celebrities, sports fame, and we have a lot of many speakers. We do have subject matter experts as well, like tax expert, wealth expert, and n number of speakers. We do have health and wellness expert. And so for this is webinar. The webinar today we are doing this webinar for health management with Mr. Amit Gupta. So let's welcome. Let me brief you little about Mr. Amit Gupta. In the meanwhile, I'm just adding him to the video. Gupta is a famous speaker for Best Speaker Hub, and he is a young entrepreneur. And so, Mr. Gupta is there. Mr. Gupta,
Hi, how are
I'm
you?
just briefing my viewers about you, like little bit about you, that you are a young entrepreneur. You are a multi-talented person, and you have started a brand name under Act My Fit Pop. He has transformed many lives um, under his brand, and he focuses on life transformation. So let's speak with Mr. Gupta. Mr. Gupta, welcome to Best Speaker Hub.
Very good afternoon, Himani, and thank you very much for giving me such an opportunity. And I'm here to transform people also and like to share my views regarding many things. Like people have many queries regarding their health, their transformation, like corona and bird flu, which is going on right now. So people have many queries. I daily get acquainted with so many queries, and I try to handle them very nicely. So if
Yeah,
is
that
there
is
a,
what this is the main reason
yeah, yeah.
this is the main reason I've called you here, Mr. Gupta. First of all, me and my viewers want to know about this bird flu. We are not yet over with this corona, and this bird flu has risen up. What exactly it is and how severe it is? So just brief my viewers about the same.
See, as the name depicts itself, that it's a bird flu. It's basically a influenza, or you can say viral problem to specific breeds of birds like poultry, crows. When immigratory birds, they travel from another country to India or some other countries, they travel with their virus. So it's basically bird specific, nothing caused to any human, nothing caused to any pets. It's just a bird or a specific species specific. So you don't have to worry at all. Like if I talk about corona, it's a virus generated from bat, but it doesn't cause any death or any problem to the bats. It is human transmitted. But bird flu, it's not human transmitted. It's H5N1 and H5N8, which is not at all transferable to human or any pet. It's just
So
bird
you are,
specific.
according to you, you are saying that humans or pets cannot get infected with
No,
them.
not at all. It's not. It's simply a bird specific. It's not transferable to any animal or mammal.
Oh, is it? So, but I'm amazed because people were saying that if you get in contact with the infected bird, or if you get in close contact with the infected bird, you might get this flu, and it's very dangerous.
See, Himani, in a poultry farm industry, every farm acquaint at least 30 to 40 people as a labor. If this is something like that, there will be hue and cry at every poultry farm, and in the world there are n number of poultry farms, right? And first of all, the commercial layer is always vaccinated against these such of viruses. These are common flu, which is like when the change of weather is there. आप लोग भी एक normal flu या एक virus से अपने आप को आप देखते हैं कि there's a whenever there is a change in weather, आपको एकदम fever catch होता है. That is a normal flu. That is in case of birds also, right? But it's not transferable to anything.
Okay, okay. So just I want to know how you suggest my viewers and me and my family, how can we protect ourselves, our family through this, all these things, like I'm not specific about the bird flu, I'm saying all the flus, and definitely a corona as well. So what are the practices you think a common person should follow to get themselves protected from it?
देखिए हिमानी जी, कोई भी फ्लू है वो आपके फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपके इम्यून सिस्टम के ऊपर अटैक करता है, right? Whether it's corona, whether it's any type of flu, or you can call influenza or any bacterial problem, that always attack on your immune system. Until and unless you have a strong immune system as a safeguard, as a shelter or as a shield to protect your body, जब तक आपका इम्यून सिस्टम स्ट्रांग नहीं है आप उससे फाइट नहीं कर सकते. if you are having an immune system, very good immune system, very good lifestyle, very good activities, तो obviously आप उससे अगेंस्ट उसके बहुत अच्छा एक शील्ड प्रोटेक्ट करेंगे, बनाएंगे अपनी बॉडी में, विच इज इम्यूनिटी, और वो आपको प्रोटेक्ट करेगी इन चीजों से, वेदर इट्स लाइफस्टाइल, वेदर इट्स योर फूड हैबिट्स, वेदर इट्स योर वर्किंग हैबिट्स, वेदर इट्स योर स्लीपिंग पैटर्न, इन सब का आपका एक लाइफस्टाइल का इम्यूनिटी पे इफेक्ट करता है.
Can hear you. You can continue, Mr. Gupta.
Yeah. तो इम्यूनिटी इज द बेसिक फंडा जिसको आपको लेके चलना है कि भाई इम्यूनिटी को लेके ही आप अपने आप को सेफगार्ड कर सकते हैं.
But does one get protected if one has a high immunity? Does one get protected for the bird flu as well?
Bird flu is just a rumor. It's against the birds only.
Do you say so?
Say, I belong to the same industry, so I don't think so that there is something like that. I'll have a hue and cry that poultry industry is the biggest cause of that. But at the end, WHO has certified that if you eat chicken and egg, your immunity will boost up like anything. You got my point?
So exactly. My next question was about that. This only, that people are saying don't eat eggs, don't eat chicken. Although I'm a pure vegetarian, I don't eat these things. But I have a concern about my viewers. They usually say, can we eat eggs? Can we eat chicken? And so, what you say? Can they eat? Can or they not?
Safe. They are 100% safe, as our Indian cooking style is like we cook at around 100 degrees of centigrade. So any virus, any bacteria that won't sustain up to 50 degrees of centigrade. You got my point? If you burn them, like if you cook your food above 50 degrees of centigrade, all the bacterial and viral infection will be neutralized.
Okay. So you say that can be corrected once you cook the food. You can eat like a boiled egg or a good cooked chicken, you say?
First of all, Himani,
as
chicken and eggs are very much safe like other foods. But if you are very conscious about your health or something like that, if you have some rumor around you or you have some setback at your mind कि भाई नहीं हमने नहीं खाना, go for clean lifestyle. Go for clean it very, very well and cook it very well. It's as good as milk and chapati.
Can you repeat it, Mr. Gupta? There was some audio issue. I think my viewers can't.
I was saying that just wash it properly, just cook it properly. It's as good, as safe as cow milk and roti.
Okay. So you are full on promoting this egg and chicken, huh? People
no, these are the basic immunity modulators. These are the basic immunity modulators.
I hope there's no business involved in this.
No, nothing like that. Nothing like that.
You are giving a okay, great. And another thing I want to ask is nutrition का क्या रोल रहता है किसी भी तरीके के वायरस से लड़ने के लिए? Be it a COVID-19, be it any other virus. उसमें न्यूट्रिशन का क्या एग्जैक्टली रोल रहता है? बिकॉज बीइंग अ न्यूट्रिशन स्पेशलिस्ट आई वांट टू आस्क कि हमारे लोग, हम बेस्ट स्पीकर आपके जितने भी स्पीकर साथ में लोग जुड़े हैं उनको बताएं कि कैसे कोई भी ह्यूमन बीइंग है, इंसान जो भी अपना न्यूट्रिशन से कैसे अपने इन सब वायरसेस से लड़ सकता है.
देखिए हिमानी जी, क्या होता है कि अगर आप एक अच्छा न्यूट्रिशनल फूड खा रहे हैं तो क्वाइट ऑब्वियस आपके जो बॉडी सेल्स हैं जिन्हें हम इम्यूनिटी कहते हैं वो एक अच्छी तरह से परफॉर्म करते हैं. लाइक इफ यू आर टेकिंग 100 men टू combat a war and you don't have a sword with them or you don't have a gun to fire, तो आप कैसे लड़ेंगे? So it's like an army. Nutrition is giving an arm to the army. It's giving that you can say bullet or you can say gun to the army to fire against the viruses. So nutrition is the basic core that provides immunity, that boosts your immunity.
Okay. So can you suggest few good nutritional foods to my viewers so that they know what good things they can eat to combat these viruses, to fight these viruses, be it corona or be it any flu? Like, I just want some few tips you can give to our viewers.
First of all, I would like to say that just adapt a healthy lifestyle. Wake up early in the morning, go for 1 hour of walk. If you don't go for 1 hour of walk, do household things like you can move stairs, you can walk in the lawn, you can do household chores. right? And when it comes to food, try to add more of protein and fiber in your food. Just cut down carbs so that your immunity that get boost up. Proteins are the basic fundas, basic walls that increase the cell walls, that made the cell walls of your immunity system. So the if the cell walls are very much protected, no virus can enter to the cells that can cause the damage to your body. So go for proteins, high protein with every meal, go for high fiber with every meal, right? Every meal should be a combination of carbs, high protein, high fiber, and less fat. So if you adapt that, that will be
Give us
very good
some
for you.
tips. Nick, do we have to visit you and consult you, and that should be paid only, or can you give us some tips also?
Yeah, for any
कैसे हम
kind of
इसको, because we
any
really
kind
want
of
to.
short, you can say any information, you can call me anytime, or you can visit my MyFitFox. That is an official Facebook page and Instagram page. You can just tap me a message, or you can call me. But for if you want to go for healthy lifestyle transformation, we have certain we do have certain you can say things streamlined, जो हमारे शेड्यूल
Strategies,
रहते
yeah,
हैं, जो
okay.
हमारी फीस रहती है, फीस स्ट्रक्चर, definitely that is for that only.
Acha, okay. So you are saying ki that for Best Speaker Hub also we have to first make a payment, and then we can
You
only
guys
get
are
the
always welcome. You guys are
diet
always
schedule.
welcome.
I'm just kidding, just kidding. Mr. Gupta, because I just want to know कि जब भी हम आप ये बात करें हम न्यूट्रिशनल फूड्स की, कि हमें न्यूट्रिशनल फूड खाना चाहिए, न्यूट्रिशनल फूड खाना चाहिए, न्यूट्रिशन फूड का क्या सिर्फ न्यूट्रिशन फूड ही बहुत रहता है कि हमें कुछ न्यूट्रिशनल सप्लीमेंट्स भी लेने पड़ते हैं? बिकॉज आजकल बहुत ट्रेंड में चल रहा है कि कोरोना है, कोरोना के फाइटिंग के लिए विटामिन सी चाहिए, तो चलो जी विटामिन सी की टेबलेट खा लेते हैं, या कोई सिरप पी लेते हैं, या कोई अभी थोड़ा सा पेन चल रहा है बॉडी में, ये चल रहा है, तो हम लोग को रेगुलर मल्टीविटामिन की टेबलेट्स खा लेते हैं. तो डू यू रिकमेंड दीज सप्लीमेंट्स कि हमें ये सप्लीमेंट्स लेने चाहिए, or only we have to adopt, we have to change in our eating habits, and then that is something? What you suggest? कि are they okay or not?
हिमानी जी, जो हमारा आजकल का लाइफस्टाइल है, we are hard of time, whether it's for relationship or whether it's for cooking your food, right? Like every person is just quitting the house at 9 o'clock and coming back at 6 and then doing household chores, socializing है, सब कुछ है, तो cooking time बहुत less हो जाता है. तो क्या होता है कि भाई आप एक suppose you are having 2 times or 3 times of meal, उसमें आप पूरा न्यूट्रिशन को कवर नहीं कर पाते. लाइक योर बॉडी के जो माइक्रो एंड मैक्रो शीट्स हैं उनको आप पूरा नहीं कर पाते, जो रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैं. तो व्हाट वी सजेस्ट, गो फॉर वन multivitamin tablet per day. If you are having severe cold or you are prone to cold, go for vitamin C. And for your liver, go for that any liver tonic, any kind of liver tonic you like to have. But these are the basic things. Go for your nutritious food, then add one multivitamin.
You are saying that anyone can take these supplements in a prescribed way, I
Quite
must
obvious,
say.
in a prescribed
And
way.
there are no side effects to these.
No,
right?
no, nothing like that.
So.
But there are certainly something like that, like go for multivitamin for 1 month, then take a break of 15 days or 20 days, then again.
Achha, okay.
It's always in a prescribed form. Like excess of everything is always bad.
Yeah. So viewers, please keep in mind that if you take, Mr. Gupta suggested that we can take supplements, but always keep in mind that you have to take in a prescribed way, and you cannot opt it कि हाँ भाई उन्होंने कह दिया है तो हम चलो भाई रोज खा लेते हैं. नहीं, please don't do that. Take it in a prescribed way. Consult your nutritionist, doctor, or anyone, and then take it. I must recommend so. And you can consult Mr. Gupta as well. You can consult him as well and have a guidance from him, and how many and for how long you can take multivitamin or vitamin C tablets. So Mr. Gupta, अच्छा ये तो हो गया कि हमारे को फ्लू और कोरोना से बचने के लिए न्यूट्रिशन ये सब करना है, और ये हाइजीन प्रैक्टिस करना है, रेगुलर हैंड वॉश करना है, ये सब है. बहुत सब कोरोना में चल रहा है कि रेगुलर हैंड वॉश करें और ये सब करें. अच्छा करो, हैंड वॉश तो कर लेंगे, पर ठंड में क्या करें? ठंड में it's so chilling winter especially in the North India, it's so chilling. So how can one protect themselves from this chilling winter? अभी कोरोना का टाइम से हाथ तो वॉश होते नहीं है.
देखिए, ना तो आपके हाथ वॉश होंगे, ना आपसे कुकिंग होगी. एंड इफ आई टॉक अबाउट कि भाई आप ज्यादा खाना खा पाए, वो भी नहीं खा पाएंगे. दो आपका मेटाबॉलिज्म विंटर्स में बूस्ट हो जाता है, आपको फ्रीक्वेंटली मील्स चाहिए होते हैं. तो एट दैट टाइम आई रिकमेंड माय स्टूडेंट्स टू गो फॉर सूप्स.
Okay.
Yeah, go for some warm soups. Either it's chicken soup, it's egg soup, or it's zucchini soup, or you can go for paneer soup. Right? It gives warmth to your body, plus it boosts your immunity.
Oh,
And
okay.
there are certain
Okay.
kadas that,
And one more thing. Right, right. Sorry, I interrupted you.
no,
You
no
can
issue.
continue, please.
There are certain kadas also which every family member, in every family, people drink. Like from
In
our
India,
childhood.
actually. It's very
Yeah.
common in
And
India.
Pini is a basic funda of every, that gives
Yeah,
warmth to
we
your
are
body in
fighting
your
corona
winters.
on these things
Yeah, yeah,
only.
yeah.
Yeah, exactly. I want to one thing more I want to understand कि we are not unable to do
Hmm.
workouts
Hmm.
in this chilling winter because ठंड में निकलने का मन ही नहीं करता है कि बस लगता है कि ब्लैंकेट पे बैठे रहो और अपना वेट बढ़ाई जाओ तो उसके लिए क्या किया जाए कि अभी मतलब people आई एम श्योर मैनी पीपल कैन रिलेट विद मी कि इस चिलिंग विंटर में वर्कआउट करने का मन नहीं करता ब्लैंकेट से बाहर निकलने का मन नहीं करता तो उसके लिए क्या आप सजेस्ट करेंगे कि हाउ कैन वी मैनेज आवर वेट आल्सो एंड वी कैन कीप आवरसेल्फ हेल्दी
देखिए हिमानी, एक हम सिंपल साइंस में जाएंगे. ठीक है. बॉडी इज लाइक अ सिंपल मशीन, जिसको भगवान ने बहुत ही खूबसूरती से बनाया है. इट्स अ स्मार्ट एंड सिंपल मशीन. तो मशीन चलती है फ्यूलिंग पे, एंड फ्यूलिंग इज योर फूड. तो इन सिंपल टर्म्स, कैलोरीज आपकी होती हैं हर फूड के अंदर, जिसको आपको मैनेज करके चलना होता है. If I talk about your physical activity, it plays only 10% of the body part. 10% ही वो count करती है, 90% is your diet.
Oh, is
Yeah.
it? अच्छा,
So
okay.
if you are having, say, a certain amount of calories, just decrease your calories in terms of carbs, increase your protein intake, and increase your fiber part. Plus, do meditation of 10 minutes and alom vilom, something like that. You can do sitting in your bed only. So that will charge your metabolism. That's it. That's all you need to do.
Okay. So, Mr. Gupta, towards the end, I just want to understand कि in this work from home scenario, कोई भी healthy lifestyle हम कैसे अपना सकते हैं? मतलब आपके I just need a closing remarks for this कि हम कैसे को वर्क फ्रॉम होम चल रहा है, बाहर नहीं जा रहे हैं, बहुत कम मतलब घर पे बैठ के काम कर रहे हैं और चाय पी रहे हैं और खा रहे हैं, मतलब हर टाइम कुछ ना कुछ चल रहा है. तो हाउ कैन वी ऑप्ट फॉर कि हमारा काम भी हो और साथ साथ और वी कैन डू दिस, कैसे कोई भी एक हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल हम कैसे अपना सकते हैं?
हिमानी जी, उसके लिए आपको सबसे पहले अपने नोट्स बनाने पड़ेंगे कि मॉर्निंग से इवनिंग तक आपका क्या शेड्यूल रहने वाला है. से इफ यू आर हैविंग लाइक अर्ली मॉर्निंग्स, you wake up early morning, just make a walk to your lawn, just do the household chores, clean your lawn, clean your laundry, something like that, right? A small of household chores. Then have your breakfast, cut down your breakfast. If you are having 2 pranthas, just go for 1 prantha and lots of vegetables. If you go for lunch, cut down your lunch to make it high protein lunch and low fiber. And in the night, go for high fiber. Don't go for protein and carbs. So that,
ओके
because आप घर में बैठे बैठे 1 या 2 कप चाय पी लेते हैं, that will do all the carbs thing. Go for high fiber diet, high liquid diet, जो आपकी जिसके अंदर ज्यादा आपके न्यूट्रिशन मिले. सो वर्क फ्रॉम होम का यही सिर्फ बचने का कारण आप बच सकते हैं. लाइक आई डू वर्क फ्रॉम होम फ्रॉम द लास्ट 2 months. तो मैं मोटा नहीं हुआ. I didn't gain my inches, though I was doing home workout.
that's a
I was
comfort,
doing
yeah.
yoga. Like my age is 39, I'm going to be 39, but I don't think so that people can say that I'm 39 years old.
Oh, you are giving complex to us, yeah.
So nice of you. So you can do a workout at home like yoga, or just cut down your carb part and increase your fiber part as much as you can. So that will fill you up, and that will, you will certainly lose certain inches.
Just to get an idea, because I've seen many people skipping meals to get into the shape. They are saying I'll say I also doing it कि I'm not eating dinner or just having 2 meals so that I can make myself maintain, मैं अपने आप को maintain रखूं. So is that possible? मतलब is this a good thing to skip a meal or
देखिए, डाइट का मतलब ये नहीं है कम खाना खाना. डाइट का मतलब है हेल्दी एंड न्यूट्रिशियस बैलेंस्ड फूड खाना. You know, I eat around 7 to 8 meals in a day.
Oh, is it?
Yeah,
Okay.
and people, if people see me eating, तो वो कहते हैं he's like a monster. So when you can shred your weight or your fat by eating more, why I go to starve? I live in such a country where everything is easily available. तो मैं क्यों starvation mode में जाऊँ? When I can eat, I can afford eating. healthy meal, why should I go for like burger, pizza, or something like that? Like it's just all
Give us
about.
some healthy tips. Mr. Gupta, give us some proper nutritional tips. 3 meals. What exactly a person can have
Say,
in three
Himani, if
meals
I talk
that
about your
consist of
lifestyle,
your healthy diet?
if I talk about your lifestyle, right?
Hmm.
You leave your house around 9 o'clock in the morning,
Yeah,
right?
approximately.
Just grab a sandwich,
Uh,
say vegetable sandwich, and grab one apple. Just eat that sandwich,
okay.
and while driving to your office, just eat that apple, right? In that thing, you're
Okay.
covering your carbs, your proteins, and your fiber. The second most, that
Okay.
when you reach office, just have one cup of coffee. In lunch, go for one chapati, one vegetable, one dal, and one salad. One big bowl of salad, right? It can be cucumber, it can be
Okay.
carrot, it can be anything, that any leafy vegetable.
Okay.
Then
Got
in
you.
evening, go for
Hmm.
one fruit, so that your fiber can increase. And in dinner, go for soup, any vegetable or chicken
Okay.
soup. That will ease out your
Yeah.
sleeping pattern. You will feel warmth all the night, and you will sleep very
Hmm.
lightly, very comfortably, because your body is on
So
the rest.
having tea and coffee is okay.
Yeah, it's completely all right. I drink three
Okay.
times a coffee in a day. I eat 4 fruits a day.
Oh,
I took 5 meals a day.
अच्छा.
So it's an easy lifestyle.
Okay. तो हम.
That's what I teach in my transformation process. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. ठीक है. थैंक यू मिस्टर गुप्ता, अपना प्रीशियस हर हेल्दी टाइम हमें दे, बेस्ट स्पीकर हब से बात करने के लिए, हमें अपना टाइम देने के लिए. तो माय व्यूअर्स फॉर बेस्ट स्पीकर हब, तो ये थे मिस्टर अमित गुप्ता, अ फेमस स्पीकर फॉर बेस्ट स्पीकर हब. एंड बहुत अच्छे टिप्स दिए उन्होंने और बहुत अच्छी चीजें बताई. आप इनकी पर्सनल कंसल्टेंसी भी बुक कर सकते हैं बेस्ट स्पीकर हब पर. www.bestspeakerhub.com पर जाइए. और अगर आप इन्हें भी किसी वेबिनार सेमिनार के लिए बुलाना चाहते हैं तो दे आर मोस्ट वेलकम. यू कैन विजिट www.bestspeakerhub and he can give you a very healthy tips जो आपको हमेशा के लिए मतलब यू विल फील लाइक हाँ वी हैव टेकन फ्रॉम मिस्टर अमित गुप्ता. सो कैसा लगा आपको ये हमारा ये सेशन? कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर बताएं. और आप किस इस तरह के और किस स्पीकर से आप बेस्ट स्पीकर हब के बात करना चाहते हैं जरूर बताएं. और हमारे को फॉलो करते रहिए बेस्ट स्पीकर हब पर. मेरा फेसबुक, इंस्टाग्राम, ट्विटर, लिंक्डइन सब पे बेस्ट स्पीकर हब के नाम से अवेलेबल रहेगा. www.bestspeakerhub पर आप विजिट कर सकते हैं और वेरियस काइंड ऑफ स्पीकर्स यू कैन बुक फॉर वेबिनार्स एंड सेमिनार. स्टे ट्यून विद www.bestspeakerhub.com. थैंक यू.
Best of luck, guys. Thank you very much. Thank
थैंक
you,
यू.
Imani. Bye bye.
थैंक यू.